How to register a PAMM Investor Account. Paste your link that was provided to you by your money manager. Proceed with the registration process and then submit. After registering and logging in, you'll be redirected to your offer details. To invest or decide later, make sure to confirm the terms and conditions. Make sure to finish your KYC before investing to have a smooth process. After finishing your KYC, you can proceed to invest. In your dashboard, you'll see your PAMM Investor Account. To join the PAMM offer, you can deposit directly into your PAMM Investor Account. Clicking on Deposit will take you directly to the deposit section. Choose your PAMM Investor Account and select the amount you want to deposit. Then select your preferable payment method to deposit. After depositing is successful, you'll see in your dashboard that the deposit is pending approval from the money manager. Once the money manager approves, you can enter your PAMM portal.